Hey there, Hugo from Toytec Lifts in Denver, Colorado. Today, we want to give you some very easy tips to help you extend the service life of your suspension. Some of the key parts that you will have to inspect or will require some attention will be your shock shaft. Make sure the shaft is free of imperfections or debris. As your suspension cycles, you don't want to attract that debris inside of your head seal or the shock will leak prematurely. You also want to inspect your spherical bearing joint. We do not recommend to add any kind of grease or will attract some kind of debris, minimizing the lifetime of this spherical bearing joint. In most of the adjustable coilovers, you will find another spherical bearing joint on top that will help your suspension pivot during suspension articulation. While you are there, you can also inspect your coil spring. Make sure the coil spring doesn't have any kind of imperfections. If you have a right hand adjustable coilover, make sure your threaded shock body it's as clean as possible. So in case if you need to adjust your coilovers in the future, it'll be a much easier task for you. If you live in an area where there is a lot of snow or magnesium chloride and salt, there is some companies that offer some accessories to help you extend the lifetime of your suspension, like these neoprene coilover covers. These will help you protect the shock shaft, your seal, the coil spring, and in most cases, your threaded shock body as well. We do not recommend to leave them there all winter long. Use them for a couple days, take them off. You can rinse them off with high pressure soapy water and let them air dry, and you can wrap your coilovers again. If you manage to remove your suspension of your vehicle, the best way to clean your coilovers will be with some mild soapy water and a little brush and go through all the components that we discussed in this video. This will help you extend the lifetime of your shocks. If you have any more questions, feel free to give us a call at Toytec Lifts in Denver, Colorado at 303-255-4959.